Hello everyone, I am Ravi, I spoken English partner of Sunny. Hey viewers, I am Sunny, English conversation partner. So let's enjoy the conversation. Bro, I am really worried. My job interview is in 3 days and my English is terrible. Relax, Sunny. English is not a ghost. It won't bite you. Easy for you to say. You speak English like a Bollywood villain. I open my mouth and nothing comes out. Because your brain is on loading. You think too much. Just speak, bro. Mistakes are common. What if I say something wrong? Then say it confidently wrong. Confident is everything. Even if you say I am hunger, then say it like a prince. That's the problem. Yesterday I said I am bored instead of I am bored, and that girl I liked laughed at me. No worry, next time you say I am emotionally exhausted from this conversation. That will confuse her. Bro, please be serious. I need to learn basic English sentences. Okay, say this. Can you please tell me a little about the job role? Nice and formal. Can you please tell me a little about the job role? Hey, it sounds professional. Exactly. And instead of I want a job, say I am looking for an opportunity to grow and contribute. Wow, that sounds like LinkedIn. That's the goal. Speak English like you are applying for CEO, even if it's for a tea stall. Thanks man, you are actually a good teacher. Of course, I charge one samosa per lesson. Deal, but only if you teach me how to flirt in English next time. First learn to talk, then I will teach you to impress, okay? So my dear viewers and English learners, do you like this conversation? If your answer is yes, and if it will be useful for you, then what are you waiting for? Just subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell notification, like this video and also share with your friend who really want to speak English like you or like me. And also comment down that on which topic you want my next video, or in English where you find difficulty. I will definitely read your comment, give a heart, reply you and make next video according to your suggestion. Your one comment, your one like, your one share is very valuable for me. Please always be support me. At last I want to say Hare Krishna, Hare Rama.